Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 18, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. Second row, we have 1, 5, 2. The 3 numbers can't come in the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 8. Column B, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 1. 7 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row and fourth row, column F, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, you already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, column I, we have 9. Third row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 8th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 7th grade, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and column J, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 4. Column J, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. then 9 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. In second row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 8th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.